Morning everyone, Linnea, the singer from northern Sweden here. I'm standing just outside my parents' house. I wanted to film here because they have a bird. They feed birds around the tree behind me. So it's a lot of birds. I think it's really cozy and nice. So I have ridden a bike. Here is this little bike, electric bike I have ridden here. Business-wise, I mean, yesterday it was all about being in the studio all day, and after that I was so tired. So I just kind of crashed in the sofa and watched Netflix the rest of the day. But today I have been up early and watched some tutorials about Instagram and about branding. So I have been checking through some photos and been working with some filtering and coloring of photos. Installed some apps on my phone for that. So that's what I have been doing today. Perhaps later, I mean, this weather is just glorious, so perhaps we'll just stay outside today and have a picnic or something. We'll see. I hope you have a great Friday. It's Friday today again. Weeks run so fast. Speak to tomorrow, and until then, take care. Bye.